Want to start trading on your MacBook using Moomoo? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install it step by step. Moomoo is a powerful trading platform that lets you trade stocks, ETFs, and options with advanced charts, real-time data, and pro-level tools, all in one place. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your Mac. You can use Safari, Chrome, or whichever you prefer. In the search bar, type moomoo.com and press enter to go to the official website. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner and click on the download button. You'll be redirected to the download page. From here, select Mac Download, then click Download again. The installer will now start downloading to your Mac. Once it's finished, open your Downloads folder and double-click on the Moomoo file. A new window will appear. All you need to do is drag the Moomoo icon into your Applications folder. This installs the app on your Mac. After that, you can close the window and move the installer file to the trash to keep things clean. Now, open Finder, go to Applications, and launch Moomoo. The first time you open it, you might see a security prompt. Just click Open to continue. And just like that, Moomoo is now installed and ready to go. You can log in or create an account, explore the charts, and start trading directly from your Mac. If you're new to the platform, spend a few minutes exploring the interface before placing your first trade. There are a lot of powerful tools built in. And that's it. If this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials like this.